Lightning looks so beautiful, right? But what if it strikes anyone? Globally, there are about 40 to 50 flashes of lightning every second, or nearly 1.4 billion flashes per year. Sounds cool, right? These electrical discharges are powerful and deadly, so it can definitely roast any person very easily. I'm sorry. Well, hello and welcome to the very first episode of How Is It Done? And today in this episode, we are discussing about how people survive lightning strikes. Lightning is a sudden high voltage discharge of electricity that occurs within a cloud, between clouds, or between a cloud and the ground. Every year, lightning strikes kill people and wildlife. Every year, lightning is also responsible for damage to buildings, communication systems, power lines, and electrical equipment. In addition, it is also one of the reasons for forest fire. But what if it strikes a person? Is there chances for that person to survive? Roy Cleveland Sullivan, a United States park ranger in Shenandoah National Park in Virginia, was hit by lightning 7 times and survived all of them.
Wow!
Would you believe that? 7 times? Doesn't sound less than a miracle. Not just him, there are many people who survived this extremely dangerous calamity. The odds of getting struck by lightning in any given year is about 1 in 300,000. And the best part is, roughly 90% of those struck survive. But that lightning strike leaves a tattoo-like mark called Lichtenberg figure. Lightning can travel between 100 to 1000 miles per second, so around 160 to 1600 kilometers per second. And the temperature it gives rise to can reach 30,000 degrees Celsius, 6 times hotter than the surface of sun. Oh Lord. So what is unbelievable is that many people hit by this awesome force and do not die, although it burns them terribly. So what exactly happens and why do people get hit by lightning? Lightning is a spark of electricity caused by the difference in energy between the clouds and the surrounding air, or the ground. In cloud-to-ground lightning, the energy seeks the shortest route to Earth, which may be a pole or a person out in open. When finally lightning gets a catalyst, a way to reach ground, it covers the shortest route. Could be through the shoulders, down one side of the body, or through legs right to the ground. Majority of its energy is discharged into the ground, and that is the reason why the person don't die. But it surely causes burns, shock, and pain. A lot of pain. The person is safe until the lightning does not pass across the heart or spinal cord. But if it crosses the heart, there are chances it might be damaged or stopped, resulting in death. Now the main question, how to survive lightning, or how you can save yourself getting hit by lightning. The best option is to stay at home during heavy rain and thunderstorm. But what if you're somewhere out? Then avoid standing near trees, poles, and in open areas. And look for some safe places like buildings or just be inside your car. So next time when you go outside, don't forget to check the weather forecast.